me, Indiana Jones, and I'm actually in my office. So I am taking part in Second Hand Tracey Ann's challenge, the Dream Tree Christmas Tree Challenge. And I've already shown off my home tree, but I helped to decorate this area for Christmas. Now, this lovely tree was donated by Public Supermarkets to United Way of Miami-Dade. And I embellished a bit, so let me explain what happened. So we got the tree in this big area, and I said, let's get creative. So one of the things I did was create a fireplace out of styrofoam. And if you're one of my subscribers, you caught me trying to do that, and it was not successful at first, but eventually with some toothpicks and the right kind of glue, got it together. In storage, I found this lovely rocking chair, and what I did was Santa's nice list. And if you notice, these are all the agencies that are partnered with United Way of Miami-Dade. So I decided to put them on Santa's nice list. Here's our lovely little tree. I know it looks like it's fake, but it's actually very, very real, and it has a wonderful smell to it. But the best thing was, as I was looking for Christmas lights and Christmas decorations, because we literally don't have any budget to buy anything superfluous here for ourselves, because all of our money literally is funding organizations and programs all over the community. I found this in storage, believe it or not, this beautiful rocking horse. Look at that. And when you see the whole thing together, it just makes for a lovely Christmas scene. Of course, Christmas gifts at the bottom are empty boxes. And this is a trick that I wanted to share with all of you, is if you have kids that are getting older and they're asking for $60 video games, and you're just giving them a thin little box, put it in a nice big office box that you find laying around in your office. It's going to be thrown out, and decorate. So there you go, guys. And we put this together. We had an afternoon of cookies and hot cocoa and flavored coffees, and all the coworkers came down for an hour just to share. Put up lights, put up Christmas tree, put up the walls, and whatever we could find, because we literally scavenged all the departments to find enough decorations to cover this area. So there you go. There's our nice little Santa's kind of workshop, I guess. And I'm very happy to have been able to provide my crafting skills here at work. Anyway, have a wonderful Christmas. And Second Hand Tracey Ann, here's the second one from me for your playlist. Take care. Bye. Gotta get back to work.